Hello my dear students, good morning to everyone. In our last video, we had studied about types of sentences and meaning of phrase, clause, types of class, subordinate class and main class, and then transformation of the sentences. Okay, in simple complex compound, so far we have completed first four rules. So in this video we are going to learn the remaining rules. Okay, my dear students, let us start today's class. Thank you. Okay, now let us start the next rule. That means the fifth one. Okay, in simple sentence we are going to use in the event of or in case of. In complex, we are going to use if. In compound, as a conjunction, we are going to use and. Okay. So, now I am going to explain you about the rule through an example. I have written here, in case of you are walking fast, you will reach there. So, my dear students, just you listen well. I have used here in case of. Instead of this word, you can use in the event of. No problem. So, in case of you are walking fast, you will reach there. Okay. Now, I am going to change this sentence into complex. Okay, so I am going to delete this word because in simple sentence only we have to use this word. So I have deleted. Instead of that word I have used if. Okay, next, now we are writing a complex sentence. Format of complex sentence, subordinate class plus main class. In subordinate class, we need a subject. So, I am going to change this word into subject. So, you. Okay, and then there is V4, walking. So, I am going to change this V4 into V1. Okay, the most important rule in this rule, we must use V1 only. Okay, and then fast. If you walk fast, you will reach there. Okay, in main class there is no changes. So we have completed successfully complex sentence, and then we move to compound sentence. Already we know compound sentence, one main class, a conjunction, another one main class. Okay, main class always starts with a subject. So you subject and then walk verb. You walk fast. Conjunction and, because here is and then remaining one main class. You will reach there without any change. Okay. So in this rule we are going to use in the event of or in case of. In complex if. In compound and. Okay. The next rule. In this rule, we are going to use in the event of, in case of. Same words which we used in the previous rule. But here, with those words, there will be not. Okay, that is the important one. There will be not. And then, in complex sentence, we are going to use unless. In compound sentence, subject, verb should be must or should plus V1. As a conjunction or else otherwise. Anyone we can use. Okay. So in the event of, in case of not, the sentence will be in negative format. In complex unless. In compound or else otherwise as a conjunction we are going to use. Okay. Now an example. In the event of your not. In the event of you are not running fast, you will miss the bus. Okay. In the event of you are not running fast, you will miss the bus. Now, I am going to change the sentence into complex. Okay. In the event of and then not. We are going to remove both the words. Okay. Instead of the words I am going to use unless. Unless subject you, verb run. Okay, same rules we are using. Subject of your you. V1 of running run. So unless you run fast, நீ வேகமாக ஓடவில்லை எனில், without any change main class, you will miss the bus. Okay, so next compound sentence. Already we know compound sentence starts with a subject you. So here it is, subject must or should plus v1. So that only I have written here like that, must run. You must run fast. As a conjunction we can use or else, otherwise anyone. And then a remaining part main class without any change, you will miss the bus. Okay, நீ கண்டிப்பாக வேகமாக ஓட வேண்டும், அவ்வாறு இல்லையெனில் நீ பேருந்தை மிஸ் பண்ணுவாய் அப்படின்ற ஃபார்மேட்டில் வர்றது. ஓகேவா? இதில் என்ன டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் அப்படின்னா, இந்த ஈவெண்ட் ஆஃப் இன்கேஸ் ஆஃப் என்ற வேர்டை பார்த்த உடனே நீங்கள் அந்த வேர்டில் ஃபர்தராக நாட் என்ற வேர்டு இருக்கா இல்லையா நீங்கள் வாட்ச் பண்ணணும். நாட் இருந்தால் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸில் அன்லெஸ், காம்பவுண்டில் ஆர் எல்ஸ், அதர்வைஸ். சம்டைம்ஸ் நாட் இல்லை, சென்டென்ஸ் பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்குது அப்படின்னா காம்ப்ளெக்ஸில் இஃப், காம்பவுண்டில் அண்ட். ஓகே, next rule, infinitive method, to. In simple sentence, to. In main class, so that subject cannot or could not. In compound, very and so, same, subject cannot or could not. Okay, just to remember the words. And then simple sentence, the old man is too weak to lift the box. To. Okay, so listen here, the sentence which has only one main verb, it is called simple sentence. The old man is too weak to lift the box. Okay, so there is only one main verb. And then next, the old man, complex, the old man is, in the place of to we are going to use so, and then weak. Okay, and then that. So after that we need a subject. Who is subject here? The old man. Pronoun of old man, he. Okay, and then cannot or could not we are going to use. In those both words we are going to use cannot, because in first part the verb is in simple present. Okay, so that only we have used here can't. He can't lift the box. The old man is so weak that he can't lift the box. Okay, compound. The old man is very weak. In the place of to, so in compound we use very. And then and so we need a pronoun, and then negative word cannot, and then verb, the remaining word. The old man is very weak and so he cannot lift the box. Okay, so in simple sentence we use to. Just to listen word. Okay, in complex sentence, so that. In compound, very and so.